Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another video. And I am right now at Stockholm Central Station inside. I thought it was a while ago I did a bit of an inside video, so yeah, there we go. I think first up we should go to Sergels Torg, the main square here in Stockholm. Which is, funny enough, called by most people as the ugliest place in the whole of Stockholm. Which is quite funny because it's literally the central square. No, I'm going the wrong way here. So yeah, I think this square was like built in the 60s. But people in Stockholm don't really like it. So I'm gonna show you and let me know what you think about it. First I have to find my way out. Yes, this way. Very busy actually here. Oh, it looks really nice here. There's a lot of photographers always taking pictures of like this area here. I think a lot of the people here they just want to get home from work or to work or whatever where they're going. So it is Thursday today, so you will see this video tomorrow. I like to upload my videos quite straight after I film them, so it feels more like a real-time thing. Well, I did not take the fastest way, that's for sure. I probably could have taken the elevator up in one go. All right, we found it. All right, so now we're gonna have a look at the square and let me know if you like it or not. It's almost time for sunset, I think. It's almost 6 o'clock, so it's getting dark a bit. And this place You know, it has a little bit of an edge to it, a bit raw, because like when you walk around here, you can kind of feel the buzz here. Like, have a look. So there's a lot of young people, teenagers sitting around, showing off, you know, showing off their subculture. There's a lot of goths or people dressing up like more Japanese style. And there's also a lot of drug dealing here. So usually under there's a lot of like dodgy people selling and buying stuff. So there's always a lot of police around and things like that. So you can always kind of feel there's something in the air. And sometimes you have pickpocketers here, and they try to steal things from people, and then the police is running after them. Like, this is really the square where everything is happening. So that's pretty cool. Well, not the pickpocketing, that's not cool, but you know what I mean. And you can see that the big tower at the fountain is all lit up. That's really nice. And here we have the House of Culture, City Theater, and yeah, so it's really a place of culture. It's really nice. Let's go inside. I've walked past this place many times, but I've never actually been inside to film, so let's have a look. Oh wait, there's actually a DJ playing in here. That's pretty cool. I don't know what he's doing, but it's probably copyright music, so I have to keep on talking. Oh yeah. There we go. Very nice. So here they have a little cafe here, you know, where they sell coffee and all that kind of stuff. Let's have a look upstairs. Quite cool, because here you can have a little overview of like a bird's view of Sergels Torg, aka Platan as we call it. So you can see the police van there. There's also a library here. I'm not sure if we can go in. Yeah, so the panorama restaurant, the gallery, some children's areas, library, cinema. Yeah, dance studio as well on the bottom floor there. Oh yes, there's the library. So cultural library, I don't know what the difference is between a normal library and a cultural library. Cool little cafe. All right, let's go down a little bit and let's walk kind of to the shopping mall that goes under here. This is also a good place where you can just sit, you know, charge your phone because there's many plugs. And also they have free Wi-Fi, so it's good. Everybody loves free Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's go out on this side. I really like how it's lit up today. So let's look at it from this side. Oh, they installed these new benches here. That's quite nice. Also looks like they're setting up some music here. So yeah, so now we're kind of walking under the fountain. That's quite cool. Yeah, let's maybe go. Yeah, let's go into the shopping mall for a little bit. And then we'll make a circle around and back. Sergel. Yeah, so sometimes they always say, like as a joke, everything that starts with Sergel is ugly. Like Sergelgången, Sergels Torg, Sergelgatan, the street up there. But I let it up to you guys to decide. But in general, I prefer Södermalm every day of the week anyway. I can make a little circle here. Oh yeah, you got all the Halloween stuff coming up now. I don't know if you guys have Halloween where you're from, but here in Sweden it wasn't really a big thing until 10 years ago, but now it's getting massive. You know how it is, all those international holidays just spreading around everywhere. I'm not a big fan of it because I think every country should have its own individual culture, and they're just copying all the American stuff. It's boring, I would say. Really like this food court here. It's really cool. All right, let's go out on this side. I actually have a separate video which is specifically of this shopping mall on my channel already, so you should check it out. Gallerian it's called. It's a very nice one actually. So no use to do it a complete walkthrough again. I adjusted some settings on my camera as well. It's getting a bit darker now, and it looks a bit better today actually. I played a little bit with the ISO and the aperture or whatever it's called. I'm by no means a film expert at all, but I'm trying. There we have the other shopping mall, Encore. Last time I said it was a warehouse. It's not a warehouse, that's a bad translation from Swedish. Varuhus. It's a department store, that's what it is. So all the Swedish people were laughing in the comment section because I said it completely wrong. Alright, so let's walk back here to the square and round up this video, I would say, for today. Nice and short. I'm quite tired in my legs from the recent walk, so it's good sometimes to do a little bit of a shorter one. Alright. On Saturday it's Stockholm Marathon, so I really try to film that. Should be so many people in the city and music and good atmosphere, so I'm really looking forward to it. Alright, so let's quickly have a look at those photos over there before we round it up. Sustainable story for Sweden. Oh, it's about sustainability, the environment, the impact of fashion on the environment, technology. The key to carbon neutral. Well, that's maybe a nice way of ending this video. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.